Hey, this is P Strouth. I wanted to show you another completed pallet rack installation. This building was laid out with this rack in a completely different configuration, and it would not work for the new tenant. So we took down the entire rack system and installed it, did a layout for the customer that would work for them, and reinstalled. Of course, we've got our rack end protection kits, 12-foot aisles. These are 26-foot uprights, about 42-inch deep with 12-inch row spacers. And we have wire decking on every level. The customer has really tall product to go underneath on the first level and lighter product to go up above. This was over 1,900 beams and about 400 uprights. There was rack in this room. We took it all down and reconfigured everything. There was also a rack standing in this room that we took down, reconfigured. All of the remaining uprights are left back in the back, and we installed this section for them as well. You can see that we leave the job site nice and clean and ready for the customer to take advantage.